Hi everyone, I'm Clavers, a Kenyan artist, and today I'll be welcoming you to my Patreon page. I've been making art since 2010 and I've practiced realism and oil painting professionally from 2015 onwards. In all that time, I've explored many different techniques and learned a lot, not just about my style, but about the art world in general. In addition to exhibiting my work in person, I'm always sharing what I know and what I learn along the way in different formats and on different platforms, most effectively lately as YouTube videos. Thankfully, lots of people have found my content useful and educational, a response that has encouraged me to keep producing and sharing more of my work with you, despite earlier misgivings that I've documented in a previous video. In line with this, Patreon offers a solution that will enable me to keep putting out informative content. And on my page, which you can access through the link in the description, you'll find all the narrated videos that are already on YouTube, exclusive access to all future full-length painting videos and tutorials, where I'll be describing my process in detail and painting a variety of themes from portraits to historical paintings, narrative paintings, still lifes, and everything in between. You'll get follow-up Q&A episodes where I'll be responding to your questions from the previous video with demonstrations where necessary, monthly blog posts on a variety of themes that artists and art lovers alike may be interested in this field, and personal feedback on your work if you create art and would like some pointers here and there. All this for only $5 a month. This way, I'd like to reach those who may not have easy access to somebody with an expertise in oil painting and do my part in keeping the tradition of realistic painting and art education alive. So if you'd like to learn how I paint, enjoy watching someone create, or you just want to support the arts, consider sharing this video so you can reach more people, or become a member through the link in the description. Thank you for watching and thank you for your support.